Welcome to another Friday, people. Another Friday, another weekend a start. Blessings, thank God for life. You know, who could it be but the Almighty Himself? Yes, man. Give thanks and praise to life, you know, health and strength, and the breath that we breathe. No matter what, no human can do what Him do. So the more them come out and them talk and them talk and them talk, and them tell them lie, them discriminate, them defame people character, them cast them judgment, you know, a one man stands alone at the end of the day, and a Father God, you know, judge not thyself. Speak to my family, all you know what to do. Just like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Just as you hit the video, you know about each and just hit the thumbs up. Don't find yourself in the category of, you know, the fans or the haters. Supporters, your style is as you hit the video, you hit the thumbs up. And remember, without doubt, it is so easy to watch the ads. That's how the channel gain a revenue. I remember Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Go ahead and give them a subscription, please, and thanks. You know, it now costs $1 to subscribe. Alright? And remember, down in the comment section, you also have the cash app. If you wish to give me, I take the gift and give to the needy. You understand? Not the greedy. And as I say, it won't happen for this weekend. But one way or the other, I'm sure by next weekend, it will happen. And it can possibly happen before the weekend, but it all leave on my supporters. As you know, me just tell on the day by day for a few days now that I want to reach out to a little small basic school and give them a 6 or 8 cubic deep freeze. You know, I went there to assist some kids in probably lunch money at the start of the term, or 2 kids with school fee at the start of the term. And you don't know parents there, when them hear the criteria, just say, you know, give a little speech and come on camera, them refuse. So basically, the teacher never really. And when me just go, them reach out and ask me, why them glad to see somebody like you? Want me, you can't buy one fridge, a little fridge we have a pack down and they can't do it. I want a little standing fridge and we have to store ice cream and meat tonight. Tell them say me can't do that because me can't promise them. You understand? Can't promise you no. And if me even could have said me I will try, me can't tell you XYZ day or month. But since it never work out with the kids them, so I never get to do that month and give back and stuff, I am trying to, you know, pool last month with this month and with the liquor we might get. As me tell you, I explain, when you give me the gift, me give it to the needy. It's not about charity and a charity. So you don't have to give me. But my handful of people who support and come on board at times, you know, we are that close. Yes, we are that close. I can promise you we are that close, and by next week, no longer than next week, it will happen. And as me say, the closer we're there, if me even if I say boy put more than what me put already, I will do it. If nothing else come forward. But it is still open if anybody want to come on board. We're not giving nobody nothing to put on. You understand? The cash app is there, as I say. $ charms and trends. And if you want to reach out, if you don't have no cash app or Zelle, you can reach out by 876-221-9789. I will take it from there. But I can promise my people, my real supporters, next week now pass. Alright? Yeah, man. So, that's how we're there. And remember, support Charms and Trend, very supportive, because they also come on board, you know. Yeah, man. But them not contribute. Me not make them contribute to the fridge. Me make them do a little small thing for themselves different. Because you know, one of the do also have a YouTube page, so it's good for content for her also. You understand? That me take all of the glory. Them have a YouTube channel, it can be used as content, so people can gravitate. Why me I go take all of the glory? Make them come do for them things separate. I might be there, because we might just deliver everything one time, but I might be there, but I will be doing my thing separate from for them vlog. Alright? Yeah. I can't take all like glory. When me go say, yeah man, give me what you give me, and then me alone do one vlog while you have a YouTube channel. Can come vlog what you do. Do what you do, man. Alright? So support Charms and Trends. You can go on Instagram and you find the page, business page, charmed underscore and underscore trends, and you can go straight to the website, you know, charmsandtrend.shop, and just buy where you can buy anything over there. If you have $10 you have to spend, and you see something for $10 and you can buy it. And remember, it includes shipping, if you understand. So you don't go up on the website and you see something for $10, it's about $10. Remember, if you have to ship, you have to pay shipping, and you don't know, it comes with weight and which part the thing I go. Alright, so bless upon yourself. Anyway, that's time. It's time now for that moment where it's commercial moment.
Show someone just how much they mean to you. Our bracelet stacks add that perfect oomph to any outfit, and our custom tumblers are the perfect way to show love to the people you cherish. Choose your color, your style, add your personal touch, like the day you first met, or the first song you danced to together with your boo. Be as corny as you want, unapologetically. Every day is the perfect day to spread love. Order your personalized gifts today by visiting www.charmedandtrends.shop. We promise you'll love your gift of a lifetime. Scout's honor.
So that is it. Go and support. Let me say, that is it. And a ship, boat, nor yacht is it. That is it. Support. It is so easy. Take a sip. I know what I'm going to talk about. But anyway. You see, the one of them called Wasp. You see, God is a man working in a very mysterious way, you know. And him himself has tested our faith on a daily and a timely basis. In test for faith. Yes, man. In many ways than one. To see how much we believe in him, how much we trust in him. Him test for faith in a whole heap of different ways. Because I want to see how strong we is and what kind of faith we have. And you, Queen Wasp, you just expose yourself. Every day, you expose yourself. Because of your request for you to be excused for all that you have done in the past, where Planka Shop and Planka Boss is concerned, was not granted to you in the way you feel like you want it, or granted any at all, because it's not granted none at all. And within yourself, you feel like you're a changed person and you try hard enough to travel the right path now and do the right thing. And you're still not being accepted. But you point out your farmer boss how him accepted, and now you actually, like you try to point out the pastor just come with the money accepted through him having money. Because at the second video this now you talk like, you tell yourself, say, oh, if you don't have the money, them not accept you, especially the boss herself. Yes, true, you have your purse, she quick to accept you. That's how you make it look. In this video now you come out and look out from Planka Nation themselves, say them broke. And how you analyze the situation, we come to the conclusion, say the Planka people them broke. For somebody who's so educated and have a little knowledge and intelligent, you're stupid. Yes, you are stupid. Your analysis and analytic of these people who support Planka Nation have been broke. You're stupid. There's a lot of entities and organizations you have, even into politics. You have people who are diehard supporters of either parties. And they would do anything. If a donation for run, and them can drop $100, them will drop it. Them only want to know that's how them can afford. And this is the love with them have, that them will donate $100. Because they can afford to donate $100. You're going to have donors who can donate 1,000. You're going to have donors who can donate 100,000. And you're still going to have donors who can donate millions. That no make me we have $100 less and say true them $100 me donate me broke. I donate what I can afford. But at the same time, I can also afford to pay my bills, finance myself, and whatever little family or generation me have around me. That no make me broke. True me donate $100 is what I can afford. And you come out here now and you claim to say because pastor come and give you 21 tickets and you start calculate from the time the event announced until now, which is the 3rd of October. If pastor cannot give 21 people ticket, that simply means ticket not sell fast enough or them people, the 21 people broke. Jamaican and all, despite the 21 person will get the ticket is not most Jamaican only. But they can come from other part of the country. They can be United States born, Caribbean born away from Jamaica and anywhere else. But we all know Jamaica and somebody will stay till nick of time to do things. One reason or the other I don't know. But them always wait for nick of time to do things. And not because these 21 people never buy them ticket before. No, I end up in the 21 somebody will get a free ticket, mean them broke. That not mean them broke. And if I know it's a possibility for me to get a free trip around the world, me want a free trip around the world, you know. But me know say 2 days down the line, one little quiz a come up where me can able to win that trip around the world. Why run go buy the ticket for to go around the world when I can take my chances in the quiz where I come up to see if me can win the trip? Eh? And this is why enough for only not reach the way in a life. Because you don't have the management on nothing. It now costs you nothing if you take up your phone or take up your phone and type and say, me want a ticket, and if your name call, it call. That not mean if my name never call and me not get a ticket and me want to go, me can't buy a ticket. So when you go use that as a judgment to say the people them broke, you're stupid, Queen was. But seems like I be a broke people over Planka. All broke people over Planka, millions of dollars turnout over here. Whether we have 10 big donor or 15 big donor, it's still turnout. And the $5 who can afford $5 give, so be the case, who can get 10, it will accepted. And this is why most someone end up on the day we can't go to on the way to do things to prove to people. You understand? And then come put on a jar days after. Speak mind people should come out in and she sound broke, you know. When broke and hungry, basically that she has said. Because come like she also jealous of her pastor giving away money because she has a pastor now give it from a good heart. And at the same time, it's like she try to say, despite a ticket in buy with the money, Dana actually take the money and like she said, Dana shouldn't take it. Come on. Me I do business, maybe someone want to buy from me. Eh? From me, I have a problem with you and people have a problem with you. Why should I have a problem with you buying from me? If you can come on board and buy how much cake every year and do what you do and you still a buy, why? Dana could have said she don't want it and him still go behind back. Just like how you could have still go behind back and buy ticket to come at the gala without using your identity. Without using your identity to buy cake, you can make somebody buy it same way. And you still take the cake and go out there go do your review. She can't stop that. So what are you saying? The woman run a business. She and pastor now have nothing. Pastor does have some ways where people might discuss with him with. Because he's a pastor. But not because he's a pastor, he don't have normal life living. You understand? But you try to say that Dana run into pastor to them get executive, how to get executive chair because him having dollars. I wanna listen. And I say I wanna broke, you know, a she. Drink like a sorry, you know? Just listen, same how she think is same way she is now. Because that's what she used to think before. She can tell you everything where Ashanti might have think. True Dana deal with the pastor. Because you know Ashanti and the pastor kind of not have that little rap there. So listen her. Just listen how them think. This is somebody will say them change, you know. Listen how she think and how she project things to be with Ashanti.
they up to something, you know, the boy is an enemy, you know. He's an enemy and a disguise, you know. Don't forget to over Mars, you can't be my come from, you know. Then a bit, chow, bumble clot, you know. Cha-cha. No, cha-cha. Let the body boy, but you know what?
Yo, me have to laugh, people. Me have to laugh, but me I say, never take bad things with laugh. But for you can do somewhere else away from Ashanti that have not deal with you for almost months, and you cannot predict what him myself to show you how deep you were into the whole system and organization that you can outside now for months that door. Boy, the sun hot to see people. That you can get outside now for months and still can't tell you how Ashanti might feel with Dana dealing with the pastor. And for you I do all this and I think all this. This one show you say you wasn't a changed person. And that's why I say God working in a mysterious way. Him nah make what happen. Something what must happen, him nah make it happen. Worse when time you deal with him servant them. You could have never said you being that changed person and want to come over with all what you do. And just because it seems as if there is no chance for you within a day or two, you just a bell out, so you just a bell. This is supposed to be the most you come on social media. Almost every day, if not 2 videos, 2 live or videos. You understand? From me know you this is supposed to be the most. And if you are a changed person, you don't just accept, be yourself, hold your cool, continue to do what you do, and probably even what you do best, which is what you do now. And just allow the thing to wait there and know say I saw it go. Or over time it just easy and just continue to show the people them say me clean up. Me's a different person now. Certain road me not travel. Despite you not accept me, this is it me I travel. Yes, so me I travel same way. And then probably gradually people that look on you and say you look like you change or so. But look what you're doing. And at the same time you're only making a mockery of yourself. You're only making a mockery of yourself. Because if you listen to everybody will come out here about who you used to support, other haters of over here, they might make a mockery of you. Yes man, they're making a mockery of you. Because you make it look like because of you not getting acceptance, it's the end of the world for you. And you come out here and you just a bell out your gut, But you feel like say, oh you do something to Planka and Planka Nation. When you yourself you do something to, because you make yourself be a mockery. Even your own past co-workers, I mock and toast you, I jeer you.
Drama around this function. When you see when we happen to Queen Bee, right? When the whole chaos around the gala, remember say everybody blames she, you know. Everybody blames she for bringing the negativity around the gala. So you know what? Cha-cha. As much as I want this up this nigga, you know man, cause me know him about him and you know, me know him real to the punk kind of only me alone. Loyal and real.
That is all she are thinking, you know. Listen to the changed person, boy.
That's how I met my brother and butter. You understand? You understand? Cha-cha. Anyway, guys, my ad was to come out. Me know want to say Queen Bee. You just cause a whole heap of havoc and problem in the past couple of days. When you come out by the
what kind of problem you cause? You don't cause no problem man more than for yourself. No problem more than for yourself. Making yourself being a old.
But besides all of that, right?
Seems like Pastor money I worry you too.
No, for real, me not lie. No, seriously, it not look good.
Listen for yourself and I say so.
I'll give you my honest opinion about the whole situation and this donation of the tickets and everything like that. First of all, me giving my own opinion, you can go and go chat and say anything you want to say. Me feel
Anytime you know your chat crap, so you come talk.
Given from a genuine part of the pastor's heart. Yes, I got me there to alone, right? I only can come up and chat, oh, mind your business. I'm mad, you're mad. Carry you and get accepted in an old camp and ray and a bad mind. You can say anything you want to say, right? I'm speaking through my own spirit, right? And I mean, I tell you, say, the pastor donating those tickets is not coming from a good place.
Alright. So you're right. Him donating the ticket with an intention, like how you want to come join Planka with your intention, because you have motive. Just like how you buy the ticket them for go to the gala because you have motive. You buy the cake them because you have motive. And that's why them say so a man think it so is he. You know who you is, so you just think everybody are the same thing. Give you the benefit of the doubt. So what you think about pastor, that's exactly him not give from a good part-time art. People can't say anything. Because me can't say, well, alright, you know, say, I do this just to get back to Marcia. That can be my feelings. It can be evident that it's because of Marcia behavior and stuff. He must show Marcia, say, him could have do all this to she, instead that I go somewhere where she despise so much. Right. Because if say me a think so, and that is all me a think. She a think fair. The man there around there so I think otherwise. The man there over there so might think like me. The man there around there so might think like she. But he not giving it from a good heart or a good mind. That not have nothing to do with Planka Boss where I keep our event. The mosquito you come from, man. I must have what me do a while ago. That not have nothing to do with Planka Boss. She run a business. Him decide to come and give away some ticket. That not have nothing to do with her. But me know what you are trying to say. He might do this because he might look spotlight and he might look a place in a Planka shop. You were also looking a place. This pastor have not done nothing to Planka shop more than where Marcia say him talk behind closed door, because you know she always have fear closed door. Because fear door have to always close, you know, because she fear room empty, she can't make nobody pass and see. And when nobody talk out the road, it will disturb her because it will echo in the place. So basically, So I'm saying, it not have nothing to do if you do it from a good heart or not. Him purchase a few tickets to give away, and that's what happened. Whatever he might look forward to get from it, whether him get it or not get it, that not have nothing to do with you. You did have a good heart. Somebody who have been tearing down this house top and say, oh, he may make rain come in town and sun burning up. Yeah. Come back now and want to come on the same house top where it protected and prevent from you tearing it down. You want to come on and eat it? Pastor never try to tear it down. Not what we know. We have heard about you, and you come out here, come admit everything that we have heard. You have admit every damn thing that we have heard that has taught behind closed door. You come admit, say yes, you have said it, but you are a changed person. Pastor not say nothing what we hear about, more than where Marcia come and talk about. And we never see no sense of nothing where pastor say is damaging to Planka Nation and Planka Boss. Like when, in the days when you draw for the Western Union, it was something you're trying to, it was a very damaging thing. You understand? It's a good thing there is evidence and, you know, sensible people out there, but that could have damaged reputation. The woman cake, where our business is concerned, damaging of the woman business. Come out here, come tell you what pastor do, what could be damaging. And you come and you admit everything. Say yes, you have done it. And you want to come in and you want to let you in, but you have a problem with letting in pastor. If pastor if come in, move your man.
It's coming from a place of trying to buy his way in the Planka shop. And it's working.
Nothing wrong with it.
You see where the weakness is, right?
Listen her, you know, because she says it's all about money.
The weakness is money. Money, and prosperity, right? Which is nothing wrong with the prosperity part. Like I said, I'm very intrigued about all of that.
You never see nothing wrong because you want boss move. So you don't see nothing wrong with prosperity.
Very prosperous life. We all do, and that is what all of us should be aiming to do, right? Is to live a very wealthy and prosperous life.
The prosperity where you want, you know, money you want, you know, because you're in need.
So I'm all for that, right? But Pastor see that, and he recognized that, and he know that's his way to buy his way into the Planka Nation shop. And at this,
so you say, Pastor see the weakness, say, and money are the weakness for the Planka Nation. Oh. So if him come with him big purse, Planka Nation are going to accept him. But tell you already, people come with purse too and still not, them not get acceptance. I remember him did come before and we get refused. But because now it's business, why turn him down? A business we are do. A business we are do. You know what you want to? You know what you want out there? We are operate business and family and all kind of people operate business. I want to chastise all kind of different sex people. All kind of people, but those people still support on the business. I want to take their money. And someone who knows that these people is XYZ. I want to still take their money. Because when I tell ourselves our business, we know how to do. So in doing business, we forgot about when not doing business and concerned about the people in personal life. But now through a business, the same person where they are chastised for them lifestyle, you accept them money now. Because, oh, a business me I do. And not only that, probably at the time when you chastise them, you chastise other people where them are support. Oh, them know say them are this and them are that and them still take them money and mix up with them and then them go around corner say them not like them the type of people and them the type of people. But no, you are run your business. You understand? So when you come out here talk, no make no sense. Me I run a business, me not business with nobody. A business me I run. You come do your business and go on where you go. Spend your money, take what you get and go on. Or where you buy and go on. Me busy with your personal life. For what reason? Eh? How much of them DJ you out there? You see I talk about this and talk about this and that and that. And how much of them money they mix up with? You just listen the recent uproar with that recent man there in America. Entertainer there in America. You see how much of them mix up with when them come out of Jamaica? How much of them they close up to him when them come out of Jamaica? Eh? Wanna see how much of them? Oh. And most of them look out upon the type of man like them there. Day in, day out. But guess what? Probably them never have him so. Despite what he said, his allegation, nothing has proven as yet. You know? But at the same time, allegedly. Just look for where I'm going, man. So easy to look for where I'm going, you know. Nothing hard no night.
Point, it looked like him even by himself.
Executive.
The king's chair or whatever you want to call it. The executive chair, yeah. It seemed like he was able to purchase.
Over position him want. He want be next to the boss. He's looking the seat next to the boss, second in command. Who you to?
Shop success relies on donation. So the bigger purse, a person that's donating, the bigger their purse is the higher position and set position, and permanent position they're gonna get. And that is wise. Wise meaning to say
you have bigger donor than him.
No matter what you
have people are doing it for years, they bigger than him. Donate more than when him donate. To one single person. One single person.
Donor that have them purse, you know at the end of the day, them will come true for you. So there's nothing wrong with having somewhat of those type of people in your corner. Same thing with us in life. We don't mind having a dentist in the family. We don't mind having, a lawyer in the family, right? It could be even if it's an in-law, but the in-law is a lawyer. It's good to have them in your family. You know, it's good to have different type of people in your family because it's beneficial to you. So there's nothing wrong to have some good, you know, donors that have them purse, wealthy. You know you can rely and count on them anytime you want. They're going to be there for you at the end of the day. So that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that whatsoever. And Pastor Miller just bought himself an executive chair, even probably, I don't know what.
Second in command. What? Lord, who them the tune? Election run? Planka Nation, no run election? Or election out for run? Me no know. A nomination time. It look like a nomination time.
Other people purses are looking like, but it appears that he bought himself a good seat. Put it that way. He bought himself a good seat in the Planka Nation. But to come back to this,
Deputy leader.
Looks like, or what it appears like, you know.
Pop Tory tell you, which position you want? Secretary? To you know the money, you want the secretary position.
Stingy and don't want to spend their own money to come and see someone that claim that love so much and dedicated to so much, or only just plain straight broke.
Yeah man, I broke we broke. So why you want to come join a Bruk clan for when you have out your money?
21 now. That means 21 of Uno up until
Uno listener, you know.
is what, October the 3rd or the 2nd, did not purchase Uno ticket as yet, to the point now where Uno have to come get one free one. That means to say Uno Bruk. Because the gala sold off, you know, if you know, at least that's what was told, that the gala sold off within what, couple of days? And by the time they
You hear her? The gala it sold off in a matter of couple of days that them have to add. At least that's what was told. At least that's what was told. Then you never see for yourself. You never see the compact and the ram place. And look how big the place is. It has been said that there is many big entertainers and big name people will keep things in there and it never ram so. You remember upon camera, the owner for the place said she want to meet Dana. Upon camera, what you think she should want to meet Dana? Probably if congratulate her because she never see a single person ever sold out that place like that. I don't know if categorically it was in category of what type of function. But all I know, it have been said that many big entertainers, even a few weeks before. Look how long Spice never go perform in America because of our medical issues. And I think Spice, I don't sure, but I think Spice's first performance back in America was in Missouri. Right? And it never sold out, so it never a member Spice of our crowd. And remember, Spice come off a layoff of the system, so you don't know promoter look for this and where. You understand? So we are come talk about at least what have been told, like your doubt said, and that did happen. And now you come out like you wonder if all the ticket now sell at Florida. No worry, man. As me say, a whole lot of people buy things nick of time.
some more, it sell off again. So what happened this time?
The one you
I'm
flop.
sure
Come
there's
tell
a
you what you
large
think.
amount
You always
of
talk what you think. So talk no? You afraid to say it? It flop.
Florida and the surrounding states.
And that you want here and that you
So
want
what
see.
happened? Why?
We want 50 more, somebody come like Pastor come buy more tickets. We no business of who buy it or who to buy for.
Someone have to step in and now start to donating and throwing tickets at you guys. You know, look,
You hear her? That somebody have to step in and start donate tickets. Nancy Queen was. Hard fi look pan Queen was. All Leland Chuck where the traffic bend up and the spring Bruk Queen was. The big gala where you see keep. It was just the same thing. You have people who not going able to come. You have people who just want to support. And in buying one ticket and them even go or 2 tickets for somebody and them, it still not reach up to the level of support that they want to give. And the best way to give is to buy some ticket because you are just supporting Planka Boss ourselves. We are keep the event. So you come out and you buy whatever amount of ticket you can afford to buy, whether 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and you give it away. Giving it away to people don't mean the people them broke. But this is a thing of what people know, that when things like this come around, there will be people who can probably find it more than me, he or she, who is going to come out and support to a level where if them can't come, them just going to spend money and buy some ticket and give out. If I can wait till that time come to get a ticket, why not? When me I going to come show off, if the ticket value 200 or 300, that's 300, I may save them a pocket. If I am lucky to get one of the tickets. Not meaning I am going to sit down, can buy a ticket, but for some reason, I say me I wait to see if me can get one of the free one and save me 300. Want to go to the brunch, time I run out and me can't get a free ticket and the opportunity is still there for me to buy one. Me not go buy it. Me not go buy it same way. But me give myself a chance to get a free one. So me can save $300. So what are you saying? That make the people them broke? That make the event not selling because people have to come donate by buying ticket? The big gala will keep people don't give you how much ticket same way. You tell me what, even cake season, you have people will not eat cake and them just say, boy, them will buy 20,000, 30,000 worth of cake. Just give them away. Because it's all about the supporting the woman. And it all boils down because this woman is not taking no money from nobody, just so from them and. But if you come and support her business, she said, put the money in her business. Sow the money in her business by supporting any business that she do. She not busy for no one buy the ganzi them and dash them way. She not busy for no buy the cake them and dash them way. You support her by buying the cake. You can't come say they put 100,000 in her and see it there and take it tell her. Where you gonna take tell her? You have to go tell everybody where you buy things from. You understand? You have to go take things, tell everybody where you buy things from. Because busy she don't want to sell, she say. Where you gonna say, oh, how why do you come buy 21 ticket from you? She not busy with that. And the greatest part of it, for the person who don't have it say pastor is, she never do it behind closed door. Fear door them always open. So no always can see in a fear place until when she ready for lock the private one, for do fear private business. But everything when she do with the public, she make sure her door them always open. Unlike when be a closed door. You and your friend them be a closed door to talk about.
It don't look good. It don't, you know, the Planka Nation group come with a flavor of, like I said, success. It come with a flavor of everybody have them purse. It come with a flavor of, you know, being distinguished from any other group because at the drop of a dime, them have them purse and they can support the thing and do the do.
You know what to make it look like? True, somebody says them a Planka. Yes, and Planka Nation, once the Planka boss reach out, quick and fast, things has done. What you want to do, categorize everybody as rich, categorize everybody as having money. So, because me live in a one room where one little zinc, we must say Planka. If I see somebody or organization that doing good, no matter what kind of life me I live, whether I'm rich or I'm poor or I'm hungry, if I want to support them, not have nothing to do with you. That not have nothing to do with my lifestyle or how I live. Me see the good with this person or this entity I do and me feel like be a part of it. Me be a part of it. You don't expect that everybody will support Planka Nation or rich people. You have people might have support you, probably tomorrow them never know where them dinner come from. So when you come out here a reason, on a reason like, you know, it does show it does show on the inside stay. No light no, you know, on the inside, dark. And at least the light where they can say liver supposed to be there, you know, and not even that no there. The way in on no dark, not even light on the against on the liver. But I tell you no. One of just feel like say, yeah, show me say plan come supposed to rich and alright and have money and nice. Tomorrow man you get up and you vote for Joe Biden and you vote for the next man. How much rich people support them? You rich like them? Eh? No, but you just feel like say this party is the right party or this government is the right government and you support it. That's all. Because probably policy wise you have this person as a better person. So what you say? All plankers supposed to rich. Yeah, we wouldn't mind that. But we know it's not naturally. You understand? As I say, you're going to have people who say them love Dana and love Planka. Where probably tomorrow morning them don't know where them rent or Sunday dinner come from. I just the grace of God. But that not say them see something good a go on, they must love it. Them to be like, oh no. Eh? Discriminate, you come and discriminate, you know.
Having this shades of pink, Plantation shades of pink, right? And up until today, October 2nd, ticket has to be donated to people that have not bought their tickets. And don't tell me and talk about, Queen Bee, mind your business, blah, 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 you still up, blah, blah, blah. No, I am blogging. That's what I'm doing. I am blogging.
The first week of tickets, I think it was sold out. Till extension go on, sold out. Extension go on, sold out. And it go on and on and on. And up to 4 or 5 weeks of tickets were still being donated. People were still calling in and say them have 5 tickets to give away. This year man, this year woman, I say, Auntie, may I give her 2 tickets? Auntie, may I give her 5 tickets? Just give it to in your comment section. So what y'all say? What y'all say? What y'all say? Me say me drive up to the Texaco and me look, me see Queen Bee a man Betsy so. Yes man, me drive up to the Texaco and see Queen Bee eat off a Betsy so. What y'all say? What y'all say? You know that cartel there? Yes man. You not say nothing to Queen Bee. You not say nothing. You not talk nothing with sense, nothing of facts, nothing of substantial, nothing where people can look into and say yes that's true. You know, probably she right, very. Nothing. The first week of the gala ticket have been sold out. Did you sit and count how much extension did go have to go on? Did you sit and count? And all through those sold out and where a cost extension, ticket has been donated as according to you. Donate. So I don't understand where you come and try to make a big thing out of. The brunch I got sold out same, just the same. If I for the last week it I got sold out. So for that you sit down and watch and try to tell the public say, oh, it is really too expensive. See, then nobody know buy the ticket because it's just the branch. What you try to tell the people them say? We see it clear. Or what you are trying to say, we see it clear. Better 4 days ago, you were accepted inside a planka shop. All this would not have said. And with it now say, you know what that happened? You don't have it inside of you. And as we say, you see a man's face, but you never see his heart. So basically, you laugh up over here and you got all disgusting voice. And deep down, you know, in your son not clean out, in your son not pure, you still have all those things inside of your store. Just listen how you talk now, man. Only just listen how she talk now, man. The woman still talk with pain in her. Only just listen now, man. Jesus, please.
and I'm giving my observation and my opinion. No disrespect to Miss D, big her up same way. Yes.
She don't want to big up from you, man. Keep your big up, man, to help yourself.
Because at the end of the day, it shows who she is and it shows who I am. And what I am is a person that can be remorseful and can show my remorse in many different ways. And even if it make me look like an idiot, it make me look like, you know, like that desperation. It make it look like I'm obsessive with that person. At the end of the day, until I feel good enough to know that I have done everything in my power to show you that I am sorry and that I felt bad for what I have done, and I show you a lot of love, and if at the end of the day,
all what you say no make sense. Because you can't say you do all what you have to do to show that you are sorry and want to show love. But because in the back of your head, as I say, you just feel like you should be accepted as you do that. Yes, man, alright, yes. Accept you, yeah. But because you don't get the acceptance there, listen to you. For the past 3 days, just listen to you, know. You do a video or two almost every day on this same topic. Every day. Sometimes you just miss a few 2-3 days and not post nothing. Until you hear certain mix up come out, you jump, no care where you're there. And just listen how you behave here for the past 3 days. How you behave. And you shouldn't be behaving like this. Because when you accept your wrongdoings and admit to your wrongdoings, in the back of your head, you're supposed to stay yourself as John no start. I got hard for them accept me, you know. Trust me. I can't do nothing here, man. I'll never just go and do what I do and prove to them say I change. I not force my way in. I just go and do what I have to do and stay up on the right path. Probably at some point they will see say changes in me, because if I hold it out for 6 months, 8 months, 1 year, 2 years, yes man, they must pardon me, you know, because them say, no, you just want change. And people just accept you, sir, with all the wrongdoing that you admit to. I don't know nothing normal you're doing now, man. Just check the levels of some things where you do, where you come admit to. We're out there in the ear when most people never even know say you. Until little it start bust out and people start put one and one together and realize say you. How are you mirror man a play one the mystery lady? And I give you one memories with you. And me I say you're the woman a go on energetic. Like she just don't drink one bottle of vitamin and papaya and olive just get a bottle of spinach and boot us a look for her. The woman sound energized. In the mystery fights and I go on with herself, you know. And I say, what you eat? I not lie, I sit down and I'm listening to me. I say, listen, let me sit here. And this a woman I feel like people just accept you, just so. We could have given a little search and when we look, the normal places, no weapon. And you end up stuck one weapon somewhere, would you not expect you to stop like the weapon there? And then you come do your damage. Where you are? Move and go back. Where? And go back where you come from. I hold your own.
all of that was rejected. It does not reflect bad on me. It reflects on the other person. And in the meantime, I can now say, okay, I paid my dues, right? So that's it with that, right? So I can't forget about that and start running with the narrative. Send me a kiss ass, me this, me that. No, okay? It's always ever gonna be a method behind any madness that I do on social media. I am totally different, but all of uno. So don't try to figure me out, all right? Uno go drive myself crazy trying to figure me out. I am free and I feel free and my heart is clean and free. But I'm still a blogger at the end of the day, and it's not going to shut me up and stop me from talking. So I am saying to you guys, it don't look good on the planker shop. And all who can understand what I'm saying, you understand. And all who don't, just keep on scrolling. It don't look good on the planker shop because...
But we know it look good on planker shop. What wouldn't look good on planker shop if we accept you? That could have never looked good if we did accept you. So when your acceptance turned down, I one of the greatest thing that ever happened in a planker shop. When the acceptance of your one turned down. So if you didn't want we accept you in a planka shop with all what you have done, why we can't accept what pastor do? You say it not look good. Why? Why make it not look good? Because 21 person get 21 ticket to go to the brunch? Is it this the first? People are buying things in bulk, are supporting in bulk, whether them are go or them not go. Where this woman is concerned, is it the first?
Free ticket. That meaning to say that is 21 people that from the day it was announced up until the 2nd of October have not bought a ticket.
Cause them broke. Them broke, so them did wait for somebody buy them. Good thing I know you buy them.
Because at the end of the day, if they were once them love and supporting this woman, they would have rushed out long time to buy them ticket to the point where when free ticket come up now, she probably wouldn't have nobody really to give them to because everybody that loves her and care about her and respect her already been purchased them ticket and got that lock and secure with
Your analyzation of this whole matter is to suit your speech.
stepping forward to come collect one free ticket.
Yes, man, them broke.
That means them broke.
Yes. You have to have somebody to drink the liquor if you want the money to buy it, because him alone can't drink it off. I remember back one time in my days when you have Philadelphia and Canada link up. The man them come from Canada in the area and Philly. And them have a Philly Canada link up, one of the biggest dance used to keep at airtime. The promoter who keep the dance at the time is always one of the man them, but all him want is the amount of mouth to drink. You know what him do? He make sure him have all bus when him charter to carry people because he want people to drink. Because without people there to drink, no money now go spend. Because watch it now. Me go there say me I go spend 300,000. When me go do, can I go give the man, the promoter? Me go want to take some liquor for it. No matter who want to take a liquor, when me take a liquor, me take liquor, me put it down. Who want drink it, who want dash it, who want this, me no matter. A flossing. But the mouth of the dead if you drink it. Me no matter if the mouth of the dead if you drink it, rich, broke, poor, nah, nothing in a life or what. So the man make sure provide transportation because he used to keep a Linstead. Provide transportation for them can go. So him have enough mouth because him know when the foreigner friend them come, from them see mouth, them just go a shower liquor. And me want to have 10 case of liquor, box of liquor pile up so. And me look over this, so that man they want to have 20 because he want to beat my 10. Yeah, you have to have mouth to drink it. So be the case, Dana only want to have people who want ticket and want to come. She no matter who want get the ticket or who buy the ticket. She just want to know her event is sold out.
Point blank, period. And that's to show that a lot of you, when you're donating to the charity or donating to any cause that the Plantain Nation have, that's to show
Listen how she analyze
that
you
you
know.
guys
Listen.
are sacrificing and forcing yourself to give whatever you can, right? In the hopes of just to hear your name called, in the hopes as if you want to be known to be a planker and you want to show that, you're in support.
So somebody getting a free ticket who donate a 10 or a $20 or whatever them are, or just be a donor. Should them get a free ticket, them can't afford to donate because them can't afford to buy a ticket. But them donate because them want to hear them name call. So I don't know where I can find a $5 or a $10 for send and donate. Because there's a lot of times you see Cash App come in, Zelle come in, $15, $10, $20. That's what somebody can afford. But they might can't afford the $150 or $100 for the ticket to go to the brunch. And because they are donating them regular $15, $20 to all them have it can donate. Them should be able to buy a ticket. Will probably out of them reach. And because them can't buy the ticket, they should not try to afford accept a free one that is given away. Because them are donor, so them supposed to reach, them supposed to have money. You have all category of donors. Remember this lady. People donate what they can afford. The greatest thing, they have the heart and the mind to do so. So if a man only have $20 to donate to a worthy cause, and if I even every 2 years can donate $20 each to 2 different worthy causes, so be the case. That's what him have. Him intention, him heart and him mind is there to give back. But him just can't only give back what him have. So all of your analyzation and analytic where you come here so with the people them are try to prove say them broke and hungry. It no make no sense, Queen Bee. These are the same people who would have probably accept your work, you know. Because as me tell you, you know, 99 might be the head for planka shop, you know. But are the people them out there decide at the end of the day. Because what? They are the one who support. And without for them support, 99 is not at all where our platform is concerned. Just like my platform. Without who support me, I am nothing at all. When I'm going to just do a video, I'm going to step on live and nobody now watch it. What that is going to do for me? What it is going to do for she? Eh? What is it going to do for she? She click on her live, somebody used to have all 2,000, 3,000. Standard amount of people, 1,000 odd. In any business where you run, that's why them have the saying where them say, customer come first. Me not believe in it, you know, because 2 people you say customer come first, most time them come and them disrespect the workers without a cost, because them expect the boss to come defend them because them a customer. But the thing is, without them, there is no business. So you talk foolish at people, yes, yeah, man.
And that's okay too. But at the end of the day, you have to be wise. If you don't have it, don't donate it. Don't donate for the wrong reason.
People donate what them have.
If you don't have it, just say you don't have it. But don't try to donate to hear your name called or just to say, hey.
So the person will donate $20 and have it because them broke, so them shall keep them $20. And most that you try to say if you can't donate X amount or X sum, don't donate. Because you're $20 to prove say you broke somebody, you're hungry. You're 25 and 30 to prove say you're broke and hungry, so don't donate. If you have 5,000, somebody decide to donate 20 and 30, you know what money that? And suppose them decide not to. Whosoever forget help, look how much them will lose out on. Why that a trouble you? Because you were rejected. See, she a thing for people, you know, because them know how them mindset. Them know how corrupt them is, so them can think for people. She gonna regret taking that money from him. Regret? Taking it. Because if your big deal friend, no regret the 1,000 when get to her in a desperate times after winter season. She no regret it. Why Planka Shop come regret something where he never put food on her table, literally buy some food, give her money to buy some clothes or pay any bills. Him support an event. So what are you saying? Him could have come out and come talk all when he want to talk. Say him go over there and him buy ticket and the people them couldn't afford it and him buy it and him support our event and him could have talked till thy kingdom come. Him could have talked till they open the Bible and when they open it can't lock back. It no matter. Him never put the money in her hand and say go pay your phone bill, go buy food, go pay your insurance or go license your vehicle. What you talk say? And if your friend get money in a winter where she desperately need it and she not show him no respect, what you talk about?
Whether you want to liquidate it in tickets or not, it's still eventually going to reach back in your pocket. And that's the truth.
You might have cost everybody where him buy from.
You know, I'm sure you're not just doing the brunt without
the clothes where him wear and him manufacture it. The food where him eat and him grow it in him yard.
I don't see where you're going to make any profit at all.
And if him even grow it, you might have to buy the seed or the suckers. So you might have to cost everybody when spending money with. Where?
Very, very pricey when you keep your event in a hotel. Yes, they take care of everything is included. You know, they're gonna have the food, the balloon.
So I tell you definitely say too expensive on a site. Listen now.
But I'm only saying it is just in case if she is, I'm only telling you that you may not take the money in cash and you liquidate it in tickets, but the money still may, or some of it, if you do get profit, is going to end
You know, on a point there, man. Foolish you see at all.
not good money. And that's all I'm going to say. Plantain Nation, keep your eyes on.
You know, have not point, man. But if him liquidate the money buying tickets, you still take the money because it's still going to go into her pocket. So you're trying to say she should not accept the offer of him buying some tickets from her to give away for her event. Move!
Yeah, it got good for a minute, but I promise you, be careful. Alright? Alright.
Speak my mind, family. Look, we see what she are dealing with. Bless up on yourself and thanks for watching another video. It's a Friday evening. It's coming up to the end of the week. Just keep God with you, and don't think about keeping people like them here with you, because trust me, as you know, hear me complain about human every day. She's a prime example. You understand? She want to be accepted after all she have done. The pastor have done nothing, but she have a problem with the pastor being accepted. Nobody tell her that the pastor has been accepted. But she feel like, say, because of how them think, him having money and him having purse, so Plantain Nation hungry and broke, so them have to accept him. And it's all about money for Plantain Nation and Planka Boss. So him a look executive chair, because them want a big donor. I want to listen, because that's what she actually saying, you know. You understand? Bless up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV, Life with Gabby and Chevy YouTube channel. Give her a subscription, a link in the comment section, and the cash app is there. When you give me give it back to the needy. You are the ones that ask for the cash app. $ Charms and Trends. And remember, go support Charms and Trends business. Go on the website and order something. Charmed and Trends that shop. And on Instagram you can see the wares. Majority of the wares, you can just drop in the DM and get some more information. Charmed _and_trends. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. I'm out.